paramount ruler of the Idoma kingdom, His Royal Majesty Agabaidu Elaigu, has appealed to TIV political leaders to give the Idoma people an opportunity to govern Benue State. Speaking at the One Benue at 50 celebration marking the state's anniversary, the monarch said the principle of unity must be reflected in inclusive leadership, noting that no Idoma indigene has occupied the state's top political office since its creation in 1976. He also called for peace, equity, and cooperation among ethnic groups, urging young people to rise above division and work towards a stable and united Benue. Several journalists have been injured in a road accident while covering the commissioning of projects by the Northeast Development Commission in Bauchi State. The incident occurred along the Yashi-Duguri Road in Alkairi local government area shortly after a government secondary school project was handed over to the state government. The affected reporters, drawn from various media organizations, were taken to the Yenwan Duguri Cottage Hospital before being transferred to the Bauchi General Hospital for further treatment. Officials who led the delegation were not reported injured. Popular Nigerian broadcaster Ifedayo Olanide, popularly known as Daddy Freeze, has sparked online discussions after claiming men should ejaculate at least 21 times a month to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. He made the comments during a live stream with content creator Kataife, noting that while he does not encourage masturbation, regular ejaculation may lower prostate-related health risks. The claim has gone viral, drawing mixed reactions from social media users and health advocates who stress the importance of relying on verified medical advice. Nigerian singer